Leigh, on the way to meet you for the first time, I was so nervous. I left out the sweaty part. It was one of those moments you've been waiting for your whole life, and you hope goes like you imagined. Meeting you was better than anything I could have imagined. It may have been our shared love of music, cheese, beer, traveling, or Taco Bell that brought us together, and maybe Taco Bell is what has kept us together. But we've become so much more than an occasional quesarito. Now, not only do I get to enjoy all the things I had, but I get to discover new things, and the best part is I get to with you.
Meryn, I never thought when I swiped right and matched with a girl over 300 miles away that it would be the beginning of the rest of my life. It was just fate that you happened to live in the same town in Maine that I had a residency interview. I made a lot of trips to Maine after that, and when you drive in there's this big sign that says, "Welcome to Maine, the way life should be." Every time I pass it I think, that's exactly how I feel when I'm with you.
You're kind, patient, and I'm so lucky to get to call you my wife. I'll throw cast iron pans as far as I can for you. I'll be there to put out fires, pull ticks off, and tell you that it's just a blood blister, not a melanoma. You are far more than I could ever have hoped for, and I love you the most.
It's an ordeal. This is very nice.
I promise to be your best friend and partner in life, whether it's traveling the world, climbing mountains, going to music festivals, or just watching Netflix and eating Taco Bell. I'll always be down for anything with you. I promise when life is hard to pause and just remember that I have you, and that's what's important. I choose you, and I promise to keep choosing you always, today and forever.
My honor and with absolute delight, do I now pronounce you wife and wife. You may kiss.
Hello everyone, I'm Kristen, and it is only fitting I'm here today to celebrate the next chapter with these two. After all, I was there the moment they matched on Tinder, and attended their, or should I say our, first date. From that moment, the adventures continued. Countless shows, music festivals, beer fests, and tacos later, I've been able to witness their laughs and love deepen.
Hi everybody, I'm Ariana. I met Meryn in college. Over the past 14 years of our friendship, I have experienced her carefree and adventurous qualities, from loving music to sharing stories of mushroom hunting.
She was this mysterious girl in dreads that kept showing up at rugby functions and taking over the speaker. She introduced me to the world of mashups, and we quickly bonded over a mutual love for good music and work hard, play harder mentality.
Through elementary school, every picture drawn and paragraph written about who I admire most was one of my big sister, Leigh. She's always been my biggest supporter and fan, which means a lot coming from a rock star drummer. Leigh is so incredibly smart, kind, and talented. She has always been my greatest role model, and I hope to follow in her footsteps, especially to be as happy, or even half as happy as she looks today.
Leigh is so beautiful and bright inside and out. There's not enough words to tell you how much I love you. You've been a great mentor, an incredible impact, and have taught me so much. I'm so proud to call you my sister. As I look at Leigh and Meryn today, I see two people who are so incredibly in love. No matter what may come your way, your combined patience, resilience, and love will make an unstoppable team.
I want to thank the two of you to celebrate the love you both share. I wish you a lifetime of good memories and all the happiness in the world.